Hello everyone, today I'm going to cover 10 best copywriting courses available on Udemy. Copywriting is a popular subject in the marketing world, and for good reason. It does not matter how good your product or service is if no one knows about it. Copywriting is a skill that's highly valuable for online marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners alike. You don't want to be at the mercy of untalented writers who leave your customers confused or disappointed. So, whether you are an experienced copywriter or a novice, you surely can benefit from this list of best copywriting courses available on Udemy. Number 1. The complete copywriting course, Write to Sell Like a Pro. In this 3 hours video course, you will learn how to sell more products and services and how to gently and ethically stoke people to act immediately, hacks and secrets from the world's most successful copywriters, how to compel your readers using timeless sales psychology, and how to eliminate blank page anxiety. If you want to learn how to write powerful copy that people want to pay you for, sign up the complete copywriting course today. With 70,000 students and over 15,000 5-star reviews, the complete copywriting course is the best-selling copywriting course on Udemy. The best part of this course is that you can learn copywriting from basics in just 3 hours in your comfort zone. Don't worry about not having any knowledge about copywriting. If you are a business owner looking to attract more leads and more sales, a freelancer who is hungry to upskill, or if you want to learn copywriting instantly, this course welcomes you. The course covers 39 lectures divided into 13 sections. The course has a rating of 4.6 out of 5. It has 6 articles with 20 downloadable resources. Number 2. Modern copywriting, writing copy that sells in 2022. Copywriting is the most helpful skill anyone can have. Are you fed up with your daily grind and want a well-paid alternative to an existing job? Start your career as a copywriter with the help of this 7 hours video course about copywriting. This course has 66 lectures in 9 sections. You will learn what copywriting is and what you need to know to do it effectively. Copywriting tactics including structure, emotion, clarity, persuasion, power words, and more. Proven copywriting formulas, understanding of your audience, competition, products, how to write headlines. This course will teach you don't have to guess to write. If you are a website owner and want to increase your subscribers, a copywriter is all you need. The course has a rating of 4.6 out of 5. It has 2 articles and 94 downloadable resources and 66 lectures which are divided into 9 sections. Number 3. Alan Sharp's 30-hour Copywriting Masterclass and Coaching 2022. This masterclass features more than 10x the content of the next leading course on Udemy. The course has a rating of 4.6 out of 5 with 20 articles and 34 downloadable resources. In this course, you will learn how to write the 3 major types of copies, that is, copy that sells products and services, copy that generates leads, and copy that cultivates leads. This 30 hours video course has over 250 plus lectures which has been divided into 17 sections to make it easier for anyone who want to take this copywriting course. Number 4. Build a lucrative copywriting portfolio with ease. In this 1-hour course, you will learn how to quickly fill your portfolio even if you have zero on-the-job experience, pro pitch tips, a free and easy way to present your work, how to turn professional with a body of credible work, the lesson on path to high-quality clients. This course is mainly for freelance copywriters. If you have copywriting basics and have done sample projects but don't know about a portfolio, then this is the right course for you because here you will learn about copywriting exercises to build your awesome portfolio. The course has 16 lectures divided into 8 sections, 3 articles, and 10 downloadable resources. This course has a rating of 4.6 out of 5. Number 5. Browsers to Buyers, 21 Powerful Website Copywriting Hacks. Do you want to sell your products and services online? This course will help you. This 1.5 hours copywriting course is for online entrepreneurs, website designers, e-commerce store owners, passive income experts, digital marketing agencies, digital product makers, copywriters, and content marketers. The course has 24 lectures in which you will learn 21 plus conversion boosting copy hacks used by professionals, the fastest shortcut to getting a yes, the secret number tricks, a very advanced expert secret to structuring good web pages, how to hook readers the moment they land on your website, 3 simple ways to keep your readers' eyes glued to the page. The course has a rating of 4.6 out of 5 with 1 article and 2 downloadable resources and 24 lectures classified into 7 sections. Number 6. The Ultimate Copywriting Course, Writes Copy That Sells 2022. In this 3 hours course, you will learn how to leverage power words and instantly generate more website clicks, how to write effective sales copy and grow your business, how to write better social media posts that generate more engagement and followers, how to write dynamite copy for your website and increase your copies, learn powerful copywriting techniques. The course has 41 lectures. The course has a rating of 4.7 out of 5 with 12 articles and 14 downloadable resources. Number 7. Persuasive Copywriting 2022. Become a copywriting master. In this course, you will learn how to write powerful headlines, learn high-level copywriting and content marketing, a model-proven successful ads for maximum results, write killer copies for your ads, emails, landing pages and more, and build a content marketing strategy from scratch. Apply proven psychological principles that work effortlessly, get people to buy your products and services. The amazing part of this course is it has a lot of content. It's an 11 hours video that has hundreds lectures that will surely make you a master in copywriting. It has a good rating, 4.8 out of 5 with 9 articles and 5 downloadable resources. Number 8. Copywriting Bootcamp, your complete guide to copywriting. If you are an existing copywriter and want to improve your skills, this 5 hours course is for you. Also, if you are a beginner and want to learn copywriting, this course is for you. You will learn how to write the best copy for any part of a business or marketing campaign, write better copy for website landing pages, create a brand voice and style that works to sell, know the difference between B2B and B2C marketing, write copy for audiovisual content such as YouTube videos, commercials, and viral campaigns. The course has 64 lectures. The course has a rating of 4.5 out of 5 with 3 articles and 3 downloadable resources. Number 9. Copywriting Masterclass, Writing That Sells. In this course, you will learn how to write great copy, tell your product story as it deserves to be told, become a world-class copywriter, and double your sales in minutes. This 1.5 hours course covers essential copywriting elements, creating head-turning headlines, and writing the perfect sales copy. Don't overthink now, just enroll in the course. The course has a rating of 4.6 out of 5 and 63 lectures are divided into 5 sections. Number 10. Best of Copywriting and SEO, Content, Copywriting and SEO course. The course is the easiest way to go from beginner to pro. Learn the psychology of persuasion, learn copywriting, content marketing, content creation and outreach. You will get every type of copywriting template you will need to get started as copywriting expert. Become an expert copywriter with the power to convert browsers into buyers and learn how to persuade and overcome customer objections. Learn SEO, content marketing and copywriting fast and fun. You will enjoy quizzes, animated videos and assignments in this 6.5 hours video course, which has 24 lectures. The course has a rating of 4.5 out of 5, 1 practice test and 41 downloadable resources. So, with this we end our research on 10 best copywriting courses available on Udemy, and we hope you were able to understand more clearly about them and opt for the one which suits you the best. Wish you happy learning.